Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Yeah, Bitcoin has woken up earlier today. It respected our support area, our trend reversal area. However, could not make a new 2023 high and is still consolidating just below that 61.8 extension level at 38,270. A break above that level could potentially take it all the way up to 43K. The next main level here on the daily chart, even though that's absolutely not needed. As I mentioned in previous videos, Bitcoin has done what it needed to do. In this 5-wave move to the upside, we can count 5 waves up off the 11th of September lows. However, the smaller time frame suggests that we should still see a few more small extensions to the upside, possibly, yeah, towards 41, 42K. Now, let's not lose any time. Let's go to that smaller time frame. Take a look, because we had some exciting movement today. Earlier in the week, I shared with you that I would expect still further highs and green candles this week, but that Bitcoin would need to turn to the upside. And I did write that yesterday to the members, gold members, yeah, but I mentioned it also in the videos. I do cover Bitcoin often enough that everybody knows that. So Bitcoin was here hovering around the golden ratio. And I said, look, you know, it really needs to turn around soon. Otherwise, I do have to change my opinion. But until it breaks below 36,216, I would expect some green candles this week, possibly, ideally, with a break above this previous 2023 high at 38,440. That hasn't happened yet. But we've got a double top there so far, and it can still push higher. So unchanged viewpoint from the previous videos, that we formed the wave 4 here on the 14th of November. We are now likely in the wave 5. The wave 5 has an ending diagonal. Wave 1 complete, wave 2 complete, wave 3 likely unfolding now. I need to think about this. I might have to change a few bits on the micro maybe tomorrow, but that doesn't really affect the support levels or anything. It's just a bit of restructuring. Wave 3 to the upside, wave 4 and wave 5. So these are the 5 waves to the upside here that should unfold. We're basically halfway through, and it is based on this likely that we're now in this wave C. The wave C is a 5-wave move. We likely already completed wave 1, wave 2, and this here could be now the wave 3 in the making. Let's see if we get if the Asian traders can push a little bit so that we bring the price to a new 2023 high. Let's do it. But anyway, the idea was, okay, ideally we turn around. That trend reversal area worked out. Price reacted basically to the golden ratio. I leave it on the chart right now because this could still be relevant. The price hasn't made a new high yet. And if we don't break below a certain micro support level or nano support level, then this box will remain or will become relevant again. So at the moment, my assumption would be that we are in the third wave. Can really only confirm that if we really get a break above this high, the 2023 high. Ideal targets for this third wave, between 38,760 and, no, sorry, 39,560 and 40,060. That would be the ideal target range. Then we should get a wave 4 and a wave 5, and then, yeah, you know, then there should still be another 4 and 5. When do I recognize, or how can I recognize that this rally is failing? Well, we typically would use the 50% retracement level, and that nano support is at basically 37,550. So as long as 37,550 is holding, no problem. Price can still push higher. A break below that level would be a first indication that things are changing and that the yellow box will become relevant again. And if we then we're back to our routine here. If we break below the 78.6 fib, then we have to activate the, let's say, the alternative wave count, which would mean that the wave 4 that presumably finished here on the 14th of November likely never finished, and then we can reset that lower. But for now, we are following the micro trend, which is up. Just need to make a new 2023 high, and then we would have confirmed again the primary scenario. But ideally, it follows through into that region up here next. So yeah, that should give you actually all the levels to watch for today, possibly tomorrow. Had some interesting price action here, obviously. And yeah, it turned around where it needed to. Now just need to see how sustainable it is. Just remember, if we go back to the daily, just remember that as soon as we have fulfilled all the requirements here, we should get a wave 2 pullback, which could be quite deep before the uptrend continues. That's my update about Bitcoin. I hope you will like the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter. For both channels, you can find the links in the video description. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.